Today I'm gonna show you how to put adhesive vinyl on a champagne glass. This is something I learned along the way, and I think it's fun to make your champagne glasses beautiful for the end of the year. And vinyl is a perfect. I'm just measuring the glass with a ruler, just quick and dirty. Now that I know how wide the design needs to be, I can measure that in design space. I'm making it with a CRICUT today, and I can make the right size for the design. Well, with CRICUT it's very easy. You just pick out your material and the machine does the rest. So while the machine is cutting, you can clean up your glass so there's no grease on it, so your vinyl will stick way better. I use silver adhesive vinyl because I like the silver color, and I always cut around the design so the weeding will be easy. As you can see, it's a very small and delicate design, but if you have patience and you can get it done. Just be very patient and let the vinyl do its work when you pull it up very slowly. You can, of course, pick your own design, make it bigger or somewhat bold so it's easier to read. It's just, you can make anything you like on the glasses. You can also do only the year or just Happy New Year. Pick an easier font. I just like this design and I know it can be done, so don't be afraid, just try. And if it doesn't work the first time, you try again. Also, what's very important is that the transfer tape is not too big around the design itself, because it can only stick on the glass on places you don't want it to stick. Also, there are more ways to stick your design on the glass. You can use a blanket under your glass, but you never know for sure if it's right on the glass. You can use your mat and stick a blanket under the glass halfway so it doesn't roll away, and you can use the guidelines on your mat. But then again, when your mat is not laying in the right position, you might put your sticker the wrong way on your glass. So my way is to use water for two reasons. One reason is because you know how to put your sticker straight because of the line of the water. And second, I use warm water, and that will help to stick the vinyl better on the glass and make it easier for you to rub it on the glass and pull your transfer paper off. So give it a try, and I know you will never do anything else. As you can see, I have now filled the glass with warm water. I also made the glass under the warm water for a bit so that the glass was warmer than just by the water. As you can see, I have now a straight line from the water, and you can place your vinyl where you want it, and you know it's straight. And again, also here, you need to have patience. Just rub it real good. Check if the vinyl sticks on the glass. If it's still on the transfer paper, just put your transfer paper back on the glass. Just rub again and repeat. The small stars are hard because they are so small, it's harder to get them to stick on the glass, but it's not impossible. And as you can see, I moved to the left because it was easier that way, and now the stars will stay on the glass. And even if you pull off the transfer tape and the letters will come with, like the N is now coming with, just put it back. Don't panic. Just put it back and rub and it will stick. I promise. Just try. I would love to see your comments down below this video, and if you have any question, just put it there. I will answer them as quickly as I can. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot, and I hope you stick around and check out my other projects and tips and hacks for your future projects. Happy crafting, and have a wonderful new year and a wonderful Christmas day.